Hi, this is Bob Pryor. I want to take you through a little tour of my elementary algebra videos, my tutorial videos, and let you know that there are, we see here, two formats. One is called Tegrity videos, and that name Tegrity is simply the name of the company that developed the software that helped me create the videos in the very first place. Tegrity videos are available, as you see here, for PC only. That's one format. And it's PC actually using Internet Explorer. Now it's possible that a different web browser can be used, but I've tried it with Firefox and it doesn't seem to work. So Internet Explorer is probably the best. There's also the QuickTime videos, and these videos are accessible from both a Mac and a PC using virtually any web browser, including Firefox. Let's first of all take a look at the Tegrity videos. So I'm going to click here. As you see, online video tutorials by Tegrity. Actually, it's by me, but using Tegrity. For PC only using Internet Explorer. One thing that might be helpful for you to know is that you may be required to download supporting software. We might come across that in the tutorial that we look at, and maybe we won't. But let's first of all scroll down here. You can see that some of these are grayed, which means I do not have videos for these sections. So the first video starts in section 1.6, and it goes throughout the entire book. Of course, you can see that there are some others that are grayed as well. Let me click on section 1.6 to see where it takes us. Okay, we eventually get to this screen, and this is where we're going to start watching the videos. Now let's just make sure we know what we're seeing here. This is section 1.6, Order of Operations, and you can see it was created a while ago in 2006, and this is a 40-minute video. As you'll see, what I do in the videos is go through the examples in this section, explaining them step by step. Here it says first time user, click here. So I'm going to click here to see what it asks us to do. Okay, here's a window. I don't know if this is considered a pop-up window, but you do need to know that we do need to turn off any pop-up blocker that you might have. Okay, here it says test my browser. And we need to make sure that our computer has all of these features. And so it's actually, we'll find that out in just a moment when we click yes on the question, are all the components available? So let's click yes. And what's happening here, we can't see it. In fact, you can't hear it, but I can as I'm recording this. And he's talking, there's a guy here talking to me, and the question is, do I see and hear the audio? Or see the video and hear the audio? And the answer is yes. And hopefully that'll be the same for you. And if not, that means that maybe you shouldn't be using the Tegrity videos. And we'll see what advantage that they have in just a moment. Okay, congratulations. I have completed all the tests. Man, I hope I got an A. Okay, I'm now ready to view Tegrity sessions. Let me close out of this. And now I'm ready to get into the video itself. And I'm going to put it on the high speed because that's what I have for my internet connection. Hopefully you do too. And we can see the page that's coming up. Now, here's another thing. I don't think you can see this, and you can't hear it, but that's actually me, at least a picture of me in there. I'm talking to you and I'm explaining what's going on here. And of course, like I said, you can't hear that right now, but let's find out what we've got here. As you can see, we're 24 seconds into this video. We can jump ahead in the video if we want to by pulling on the scroll bar here. And as we do, we'll see that it's loading and some information is loading up here. And then it will start again. And we could do that over and over and over if that's helpful. And jump ahead. We can also jump ahead by coming over to here and clicking this bar. We're actually in the third session so far of this, or third part within this 40-minute video. If we want to jump to part 5 or part 6, maybe we completed part 5 already and we're coming back in because we had to go eat dinner or something. So I'm going to click on this and it will jump us ahead. And now you see that we're just about 21 minutes. And so at this point, we're going to start a new example, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And of course, we can keep scrolling and go all the way to the end and be done. Yay. Let me click out of this window. We're no longer going to use that. Now I want to go back to the page that has both options. So I'm going to click back. And here we are back at the kind of the video home page, if you want to think of it that way. And I want to take a look now at the QuickTime videos and see what that looks like.